Thank you for stopping by GardenStateWeather.com, New Jersey, and the Northern Mid-Atlantic region's weather news portal. I'm forecaster Robert Smith, and this is our Wednesday, July 6, 2011 edition of the video forecast discussion. And we'll start today with the water vapor satellite imagery loop. At first, I had done a video that was presented up on the internet, and we had some technical difficulties, so I had to delete it and start all over again. Since that time, we had clear skies over the New Jersey, New York City metropolitan area, but that has changed within the last hour as we have an influx of moisture coming in on the water vapor loop from the south. We've had some showers and embedded light thunderstorms that have moved off the coast now. This clouded cover here is going to increase during this afternoon, so the sunshine is going to begin to fade away as this cold front, which is now stationary through the area and is parallel to the upper wind flow, is going to infiltrate a lot of moisture in the upper and mid levels of the atmosphere. So skies will become partly sunny during this afternoon, and we're not expecting any major precipitation here in the New Jersey, New York City, Philadelphia area. This area back in here is a cold front, and that will be moving and slicing in our direction. Actually, this is a prefrontal trough. The cold front is back here well north of the Great Lakes, and this is going to be moving in our direction and will pass overhead during tonight and tomorrow morning. Taking a look at the latest radar trends here, finding some areas of showers and even a few thunderstorms around now, approaching the Virginia, Maryland area. Most of this precipitation in the blue here not reaching the ground. That's just echo returns scattering from the radar site. And a few showers here over the Virginia's area as well. This is all along the frontal boundary that's now draped from the New Jersey coast all the way down through the Delmarva. And this precipitation that you're seeing here will remain to the south, but the cloud cover and moisture at the upper levels of the atmosphere will continue to stream from southwest to northeast during this afternoon. And here's our stationary front right now, just north of New York City, cutting through New Jersey and down just north of Philadelphia. Again, high pressure generally in control, but this front will sink slowly south during today and become nearly stationary as moisture feeds in from the south. So we're not really expecting any precipitation here, but we may get a few showers in the southern New Jersey Delmarva region during this afternoon, as an area of low pressure moves along the front and then out to sea. Meanwhile, back and through here, we have a cold front. This cold front is going to be moving in our direction during tonight and tomorrow. And as this front stalls to the south and this front comes in, just an increase of moisture, relative humidity values, and temperatures today on Wednesday running in the 80s, possibly 90 if we get into some sunshine this afternoon. But that's now looking even a little bit more doubtful, but definitely quite a bit more humid, and a sea breeze front developing this afternoon like it did yesterday from Sandy Hook down to Cape May, and how far inland that gets will help to keep some of the temperatures along the immediate coast even cooler. Okay, for this afternoon and tonight, we find the stationary front now has slid just to the south, area of low pressure moving along it, so we can't rule out some showers and even a thunderstorm or so anywhere from extreme southern New Jersey right through the northern Delmarva region during this afternoon and this evening. As we get into the overnight hours, we find the cold front, the new cold front now. First of all, the old front now stalled out and kind of washed out, falling apart over the Delaware Valley area, and that front that we mentioned just to the north now, crossing across New Jersey and the New York City area. Most of the precipitation again heading into New England, not expecting anything other than a spotty shower as this front approaches during tonight and tomorrow morning, and then slices through the area. The front's going to kind of stall out through the New York City area down to Philadelphia. Drier, high pressure moving into the region tomorrow, so skies should become partly sunny again after early morning clouds give way. And finally, as we move into tomorrow night, the front will kind of stall out, an area of low pressure moving along it, and there is a general area of showers and perhaps even a thunderstorm or two anywhere from the New York City area down through Philadelphia and the Delmarva region, where we could have some areas of showers and thunderstorms that are a little bit more heavier being focused along this low pressure cell. And our water temperatures today in the New York City metropolitan area all the way down to the coastlines of New Jersey from Sandy Hook down to Cape May and then down to the Delaware Valley. Right along the immediate coast, temperatures are generally running in the low to the mid-70s. And I'm out of time for today. Unfortunately, we had a video up earlier and it was a good one, but I'm out of time. So this is going to do it for today, and we'll check back with you again on Thursday. Make it a good day and be careful out there. Thanks for stopping by GardenStateWeather.com.